Wordsmiths, hey, a delivery just came from me in the mail, and it is something. I'm not sure what it does, actually. It was addressed to me, but I didn't order it. Some kind of machine, some kind of bizarre device. But as for what it does, no idea. My friend Josh is an engineer. He'll know. These two words are our focus for this video, device and engineer. I'll go through these words and what they mean, and then I'll use them in example sentences. So let's start with device. Device. It's a noun. And it means an object or machine that has a special purpose or does a certain job. So, like the special purpose or certain job that this device has is to cut an apple. You put it over the apple, and you push down, and the core goes through the middle, and the rest of the apple gets chunked up into these segments, right? That's what this device does. Next, engineer. Engineer. This is a noun and a verb. The noun means someone who uses science to design and build machines, bridges, roads, etc. And the verb means to design and build something. Now, if you look closely at the word engineer, you'll see the word engine. Right, as in a car engine or a train engine. And that's a machine that moves something. That EER suffix, ear, that word part that comes at the end of the word, means person who does a thing. A person who climbs mountains is a mountaineer. A person who uses puppets is a puppeteer. So a person who makes engines, or more broadly, a person who is an expert in making machines and other complicated things, is an engineer. Let's use these words in some sentences. My neighbor is an engineer, which means that all of her furniture was put together very precisely. You see, she's very skilled at engineering, at designing and building things, so my engineer neighbor can put her furniture together very well. That furniture, that giant studded box, is perfectly built. This little device cuts through steel, makes ice cream, and even tells time. That's the sheet of metal that the laser beam is cutting through. The purpose or job of this machine, this device, is to do those things, to perform those actions. That's what this device is engineered to do. By an engineer, probably. Let me actually take this thing out of the box. The thing I got. Oh, I figured it out. The device I got in the mail. It's a video ender. I press this button, like so, and then it ends this video. So I'll see you in the next one, Wordsmiths. Until then, you can learn anything.